back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're brand new, in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a skincare collection and a declutter because I have way too much skincare, and I'm sorry for the echo in here. It's a little cray cray, but I'm gonna be showing you guys me decluttering my skincare because it's like very satisfying to watch declutter videos. I have so many coming up because I am just purging everything in my room to be a little bit like more minimal. So yeah, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell so you can join the Goria gang. Give this video a big like if you end up liking it, and follow my social medias as well, which are always listed in the description box. And let's go ahead and declutter this skincare collection. It's a mess, okay? It's a mess, and I don't use half of it, so let's declutter. So all of my skincare is in this thing. It's still dirty. I don't even use this stuff. Well, I take that back. I use a good amount of it, but like also a good amount like I don't use. Okay, first off, I want to start with this bottom rack. In this bottom rack, I try to keep all of my face masks. Like these are sheet masks, and these are like masks that are like in pots and tubes. So I need to purge this. I do use this stuff like a very good amount, but a lot of it also I do not use. So we're gonna go ahead and go through all this. All right, so I first want to start off in the sheet mask selection because I have a ton of sheet masks. Actually, wait, shouldn't we no, we'll start like this. So I'm just gonna take all of these. Oh my gosh. This is my life. This is so much. Why do I have this much stuff? I'm actually first gonna take everything out and go through it then. Okay, so now I'm gonna go through everything. I have not used this mask a ton. I've used like a quarter of it. I'm gonna keep it because these are just face masks and I do enjoy this mask a lot. Also, I'm not gonna go through each product. I'm gonna talk about a few, and then I will show you guys the declutter pile at the end of this whole segment. This isn't even skincare. I don't know why this is in there. Alright, so I'm going to keep all of these sheet masks. I got rid of a few, so I guess I'm just going to put them back in here and see how they look. I'm actually going to take all of my under eye masks that I have and stick them in the fridge because that's where I like to use them. So I'm going to take all of those and move those out of here. And then my 3 tools that I have for my mask, I'm just gonna stick in the back of this. All right, so here's what the bottom now looks like. You can definitely tell a huge difference. And I'm gonna show you guys what I got rid of over there. But I kept a lot of my face masks, and I do use every single one of these, so that's good. And I do use sheet masks a ton, so I definitely kept a lot of those too. But it looks like a lot more clean and more appealing to the eye. All right, so I know it's weird that my declutter part of the video is in my sink, but my sinks are clean. Trust me, I just cleaned them. So I got rid of a lot of the Victoria's Secret pink ones. I just don't find that these are the best masks to use, so I'm gonna give these to somebody who does enjoy them. And all of this stuff is going to people that need this stuff or want this stuff, like family members or whatever, just my friends. I don't really have friends, but you know what I mean. So I'm getting rid of this Tarte one as well. I used it a few times, but I didn't really notice it make a difference in my skin. So it's like halfway full, so I'm gonna get rid of that as well. I have a lot of little trial size things that I'm going to be getting rid of. And then that is really it. So, I mean, I got rid of a good amount. I mean, I know it's not a lot, but just a couple things. All right, so now we're on to the middle, which is probably my most cluttered area, my most cluttered section. So normally up here, I'll just keep like little trial sizes things. Like when I travel, I like to take these because they take up a lot less space. And I keep my cleansers up here, some serums, some moisturizers, kind of just the whole shebang. So I'm gonna pull all this down and then I'm gonna go through it. I legit cannot get this little part up here clean right there. So we're just gonna ignore that. I think that's from just a face mask. No, it's actually from a cleanser. The cleanser spilling. So I'm gonna first start off with my cleansers. I don't really use this cleanser as much. It wasn't the worst thing ever, but I also don't think it was the best thing ever, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish it off because it was a little expensive, and that is the cleanser that spilled. So I'm gonna put all my cleansers over here. I actually really do enjoy this one from the drugstore. I'm gonna be keeping this one. And I only have 2 more, so this is my favorite cleanser ever. It's the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. This is my trial size one for when I travel. So I'm gonna leave that there. And then this is the Tatcha Camellia Step Cleansing Oil. I'm gonna keep this because I never used it. So all of those are gonna go right there. My cleansers are right there. All right, so I have these 2 serums that I literally do not use in their full size. I don't know where and how I got these, but I think my cousin uses these, so I'm gonna be passing these down along to her. This is a serum from the drugstore, but it is a like high-end drugstore, so I'm gonna be keeping this so I can finish that out. I have the Ulla Henriksen one, which I'm keeping, and then I have one random oil, and it's my favorite oil. It's the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Luxury Phase Oil, so I'm gonna be keeping this, and I'm gonna put all 3 of those things together right here. All right, and right up here, I'm gonna put all my eye creams. My favorite eye cream is the Believe Moisturizing Eye Balm. I have a little bit left in this one, and then I have a full size right there. So I'm gonna keep that, have a little travel size, and then I'm gonna keep my Ulla Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. This is one of my favorites as well. So those are just gonna go right there. All right, so here is the middle shelf. So I have my 4 cleansers, I have a couple serums, I put my little sunscreen back here too, and then I have my oil, I have my eye creams, and then I have a random little sleeping mask that I travel with, and then some moisturizers. Now I know I have a full skincare routine up on my channel, but sometimes I do like to switch up my skincare and see what I have that will work better or differently. So that's why I have a lot of skincare, if you're wondering. So these are all the moisturizers I'm keeping: the Tatcha Water Cream, the Fresh Lotus Preserve face cream, and then I have one from the drugstore, and then I have the CeraVe one back there. So those are the ones that I'm gonna be keeping, and now we're gonna go to this area up here. This one's messy too. Totally kidding. I want to show you guys first what I got rid of. So I showed you guys I got rid of these Ulla Henriksen gels. Got rid of this Glam Glow moisturizer. It smells really good, but it's not my favorite. This Pond's Dry Skin Cream. I don't like it for the reason that it has mineral oil in it, and sometimes that clogs my skin, but sometimes it doesn't, but this one really does. Got rid of this Lancome eye cream, and then a couple other little samples, and then this Dr. Jart Ceramide cream. This used to be my favorite thing ever, but it did give me some acne and clogged my pores, so I can't keep that. You guys, that literally took me 1 second. I didn't have much to get rid of up here. So basically I have some toners up here. The Rose Deep Hydration Toner is one of my favorites, as well as the Glow Tonic from Pixi. Simple Micellar Water. I take off my makeup with a Kate Somerville Cold Cream. I love this stuff. I have my Juice Plus that I take every day, and then some sprays, and then an extra CeraVe Skin Night Cream. So yeah, I mean, everything looks pretty good if you ask me now. I got rid of a good amount of stuff. All right, guys, so here is the overlay now. So down here I have some face masks and then sheet masks. It looks a lot more clean. Can't even speak. Up here I have some cleansers, some oil and serums, and then some eye creams and a random little lip mask. I have some moisturizers over here, toners, micellar waters, and things to take off my makeup, my supplements that I take every day, and then some sprays and a little extra cream. I'm sorry, my Apple Watch keeps going off. And then here is everything I got rid of. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but like to me, this is a lot that I got rid of. And it just looks a lot more clean now and just a lot better. All right, you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and it was like very satisfying to watch. of this skincare collection and declutter. Let me know down below what skincare products you use. Don't forget, I also have a video on my channel, how I got clear skin, and then my morning and nighttime skincare routine. I will link those down below if you have not watched those yet, but I think it looks a lot better and a lot more clean in this little skincare area. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Hopefully I will see you guys in my very next video. If you subscribe, make sure you click that bell and give this video a big thumbs up if you ended up liking the video. And I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye guys.